Okay guys, I want to show you why we love what we do here at Houston Wheel Repair and My Wheel Doctor. We get a lot of specialty vehicles, and this is one. This is one super duper badass Jeep. Now this is over $100,000 that this customer has in this Jeep, and he's trusting his baby to the best. What we're going to do, we are going to custom paint these wheels. These are some huge wheels, heavy as, you know what I want to say, but I'm going to be polite. It's going to take two people to lift them, turn them, paint them. But we're going to do the wheels, we're going to do a flip. Wherever you see the silver, it's going to be black, and then we're going to paint the black a color to match the seats. So we're going to do two colors in this truck. Of course, we're going to get rid of all the curb rash, but I want you to see the beauty of this truck. It's a really nice, super nice Jeep. So if you got a luxury vehicle and you want it treated right and done right, you want your wheels to truly stand out and be custom, bring it to the best, HoustonWheelRepair.org, MyWheelDoctor.com. Also, we got a Mercedes on the menu. We're getting ready to black out these four wheels, and we're going to do a blackout package on this truck. Beside it, we have a Corvette with a bent wheel. Beside it, we have a Maserati. I believe it has a crack. We're going to take care of the Maserati. Beside it, we have a Mercedes. We're painting the brake calipers in yellow, and we're doing the wheels in black. We have another Mercedes. We're doing all four wheels black. We have a little, I guess this would be a Genesis. We're doing the wheels in black. Lexus, we're doing the wheels in black. Over here, we have a Cadillac that we're going to do some blackout package on this one, and we have an Impala that the wheels were messed up really bad. We're going to fix bends in all of them. I mean, she jumped the curb and bent them up really bad. So, HoustonWheelRepair.org, MyWheelDoctor.com, 713-942-0294. Guys, this is another reason why we are the best. Bring your luxury vehicles to us. We will take good care and pride with it. We'll treat it as if it's our own. And when you get it back, you will truly have a customized vehicle.